Hello students, welcome to all. Today we will see some important national and international days that are very useful for your all competitive exams. So first, the month of January, National Youth Day, 12th January. It is celebrated on the birth of Swami Vivekananda. Next, National Army Day, 15th January, National Tourism Day 25 January, National Republic Day 26 January, and the last one Martyrs Day 30 January. Next month of February, World Radio Day 13 February, National Science Day 28 February. Next March, International Women's Day 8 March, World Kidney Day 10th March, World Consumer Rights Day 15 March, World Water Day 22 March, and World Tuberculosis or TB Day that is celebrated on 24th March. Next, the month of April, World Health Day 7th April, World Hemophilia Day that is very important 17 April, World Heritage Day 18 April, Indian Civil Service Day 21 April, International Mother Earth Day 22 April, and Panchayat Day in India 24th April. Next May, International Labour Day 1st May, World Asthma Day that is celebrated on in the month of May and the first Tuesday of May. First Tuesday of May. World Press Freedom Day 3rd May. Anti-Terrorism Day 21 May. International Day for Biological Diversity. It is celebrated on 22 May. And World No Smoking Day, or it is also called No Tobacco Day, that is celebrated on 31 May. Next June, World Environment Day 5th June, World Oceans Day 8th June, World Refugee Day 20 June, International Day of Yoga 21 June. Next, the month of July, World Population Day 11th July, Kargil Victory Day of India. It is celebrated on 26 July. Next, the month of August, International Day of Friendship, first Sunday of August. Hiroshima Day 6th August, International Youth Day, International Youth Day 12 August. Independence Day of India 15 August, World Humanitarian Day. It is celebrated on 19 August. National Sports Day, it is celebrated on the birthday of hockey player Dhyan Chand. It is celebrated on 29 August. Next September, National Teachers Day. It is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 5th September, International Literacy Day 8th September, International Speech Day or Alzheimer Day, both on 21 September. World Tourism Day 27 September, World Heart Day 29 September. Next October, International Day of Non-Violence. It is celebrated in the birthday of Gandhiji, 2nd October. 2nd October is also celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. World Animal Welfare Day 4th October, World Teachers Day. World Teachers Day. 5th October, World Wild Animal Day. 6th October, Indian Air Force Day. 8th October, World Post Day. 9th October and World Food Day. 16th October. Next, November, National Education Day. In the birthday of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first Education Minister of India. National Education Day is celebrated on 11th November. Children's Day, it is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of our country. So it is celebrated on 14th November. World Diabetes Day, 14th November. National Press Day, 16th November. National Journalism Day, 17th November. World Television Day, 21 November. World Environment Protection Day, 26 November. National Law Day, that is celebrated on 26 November. The last month, that is December. World AIDS Day, 1st December, very important. World Disabled Day, 3rd December. National Navy Day, it is also very important. 4th December. International Human Rights Day, 10th December. National Energy Conservation Day, 14th December. International Migrants Day, 18th December. Kishan Divas, it is celebrated in the birthday of Charan Singh, that is on 23 December. So that's all for today.